Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is Saturn Transit 2025. Saturn is about to move from the sign of Aquarius to the sign of Pisces around 13th March 2025 for all the segments. So, in this video, we will talk about the Saturn transit, result of Saturn transit for each ascendant one by one. First of all, we will talk about Aries ascendant. For all the Aries ascendant people, Saturn controls your 10th house and your 11th house. And Saturn is about to move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. So, for the next 2.5 years, Saturn will be transiting into your 12th house, the sign of Pisces, because Saturn stays in one sign for 2.5 years. So 10th house will be your work environment, your career, your authority, your occupation. What you are doing in this world is seen from 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, your workplace, your work environment, how far you can go into your career. All of these things are presented by your 10th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains are seen from 11th house. All the major gains in one slice is also seen from 11th house, because 11th house represents your friend circle, your professional circle. How much wealth you can accumulate in this life is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your incoming gains, all type of gains, recognition, in good reputation, your good friend circle is also represented by 11th house. Your sources, people who provide you support, you like your elder brothers and sisters, also represented by 11th house. So your 11th house lord was previously targeting from your 11th house. So we can expect from the last 2.5 years, you may get good gains into your life. If you are elder in age, like above 36, you may get good recognition into your occupation. You may encounter at some, you may also face some delays, because Saturn generally represents delays, but right for Saturn, but previously Saturn was in its good position, and for all the Aries and we can expect you will get good results previously. But now Saturn is about to move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. So 12th house represent your long-term investment, your foreign settlement, your dreams, your imagination, your foreign settlement, all the matters related to foreign is seen from 12th house. Your donations, hospitals, jails, asylums, all of these things are rated by 12th house. So in your case, for all the ages in your 10th house and 11th house lord will be targeting from your 12th house after 30th March for next 2.5 years. We can expect you may encounter a lot of travel opportunities during this time period, because 12th house represents for travel opportunity, and Saturn is also connected to your 10th house. You may say you may encounter some foreign travel with your work related situation, because 10th house door is also transiting from your 12th house for next 2.5 years. If you are Aries moon sign, then there will be a reinitiation of your Saraswati, because Saturn will be moving 12 places away from your moon sign. But if you are as Aries ascendant, then we can expect good result for all the Aries ascendant people regarding their foreign travel and opportunities to move from your birthplace to some different country. If you want to move from your birthplace to some different country, 12th house also represent long-term investment. We can expect during in the next 2.5 years, you may try to invest for long-term investment. You will also get the good result from your investment if your investment is somehow connected to foreign land or foreign currency or etc etc, because your 12th house will be in a strong position. So you may get great reserve from your long-term investment if you start some investment after 30th March 2025. 12th house also represents expenses and losses. You need to be very careful for next 2.5 years. There are chances your expenses and losses may somehow increase regarding your work related matter or your spend circle, professional sector related. You need to apply check on your expenditures. You need to slowly start to make your budget during this time period, and you will also get the revenue of that effort, because by making budget you will know how to spend your money correctly, because your 11,000, 10,000 will be coming from your 12,000 with your expenses, your losses. So there are some chances, due to your work or your friend circle, professional circle, your expenses and losses will increase. So you to check on that matter after 30th March 2025. So we can expect these results for all the A's and people. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus and Saturn controls your 9th house and your 10th house. And right now Saturn is starting from your, and right now Saturn is about to move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. 8th house, 9th house will be your education, your knowledge, your religious inclination, your long distance travel, your rules, regulation, following the rules and regulations seen from 9th house. Your higher education means your post-grad education is also represented by 9th house, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your coach. All of these things are represented by from your, all of these things are all of these things are represented from your 9th house. 10,000 will be your work environment, your authority, how far you can go in your career, how good you are in your work is also seen from 10,000. Your bosses, your superior, your workplace, work environment, all of these things are represented by 10,000. Fame related matter is also represented by 10,000. So your 10,000, 9,000 lot will be directed from your 11th house for next 2.5 years. Previously, Saturn was moving to your 10th house and in its own sign, because Saturn controls two signs, Aquarius sign and Capricorn sign. So Saturn previously was moving in its own sign in your 10th house. So we can expect you getting the good result regarding your work related matter previously from last 2.5 years. But next 2.5 years, when Saturn will move from your 10th house to 11th house, then there will be a recognition, and there will be recognition and increment and success of this effort which you were doing from the last 2.5 years when Saturn was in your 10th house. But now, after 30th March 2025, Saturn is about to move from your 10th house to 11th house. So, when Saturn will move from your 10th house to 11th house, this position will prove very beneficial for all the Taurus and people, because you will get the recognition, reward, and revenue of that effort you were doing when Saturn was in your 10th house. Also, if you are in education life, like you're doing some postgrad education, you are doing some higher education, then we can also expect you will get the good result slowly, because Saturn represents slow. Saturn represent delays. So Saturn will give you slow result, but definitely Saturn will give you recognition and some success regarding your education related matter. If you are in higher education, also we can expect you will get a good result from your work related matter as well, as we discussed previously. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant, the Saturn controls your 8th house and your 11th house, your 8th house and your 9th house. And right now Saturn is about to move from your 9th house to your 10th house in the sign of Pisces around 30 March 2025. So for all the Gemini's and Jupiter, Saturn controls your 8th house. 8th house deal with your secrets, your secrecy, your all the hidden secrets are represented by 8th house. Means you know your secrets. All of these things are represented by 8th house. Your in-laws, your spouse's family, your hidden researches. Like if you are doing some research studies, like you're in some astrology or etc. In any subject you're doing research, it's represented by 8th house. 8th house. Your and money is also represented by 8th house and 5th house. Your secretive matters, your in-laws, your all the matters related to your in-laws is represented by a sexual organ, your extramaritous affair. All of this is represented by 8th house. 9th house deal with your teachers, your mentors, your guider, your advisor, your father. Teachings of your father is represented by 9th house. Your long distance travel related to pilgrimages, like you're visiting some religious places, also represented by 9th house. Long distance travel, like you're visiting some country for some days, is also represented by 9th house, but it should be a long distance travel. Short distance travel are represented by third house. So 9th house is deal from long distance travel only. So 9th house also deal with your higher education. If you are doing some post-grad education, is also represented by 9th house. Following the rules and regulations also represented by 9th house. Religious matter, religious activity also represented by 9th house. So your 8th house and 9th house lord will be transiting from your 10th house for next 2.5 year after 30th March 2025, which was previously moving into your 9th house in its own sign. So we can expect from previous 2.5 year, you will face many progress, many good results regarding your education related part. If you have an education life, also you will become more mature regarding your religious views and following the rules and regulation of life when Saturn was traveling from your 9th house. But right now, your set record is about to move from your 9th house to 10th house around 30th March. So next 2.5 year will be a prove very beneficial for you regarding your work related matter, because Saturn 10th house deals with your work environment, your authority, your superior, your bosses. Whatever you're doing, like you're doing some business, also represented by 10th house, because your fame, your success is represented by 10th house. So Saturn, for next 2.5 years, Saturn will try to make you do a lot of effort regarding your work related matter, and you will slowly become more stable into your work, whatever you are doing, because Saturn represents slowly movement and also steady movement. So Saturn will give you good result, but Saturn will surely give you good result in the end. When Saturn will move from your 10th house to 11th house, then we can expect you will get the revenue and uh, reward of that effort which you will doing for next 2.5 year into your 10th house. Also, your 8th house lord will be into your 10th house. 8th house somehow considered as naturally a malefic house in astrology, because somehow issues problem and always associated from your 8th house. So you need to very careful at your workplace, because you will do good job at your workplace. You will get a good result. You will also get the recognition, but some people may try to damage your reputation at your workplace, because there is an involvement of your 8th house. Saturn also controls your 8th house. So you have to be aware of your colleagues during this time period to whom you work with. They may try to damage your reputation at some point. So you have to be very careful regarding all of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Saturn controls your 7th house and your 8th house. And Saturn is about to move from your 8th house to your 9th house around 30th March 2025. So Saturn was previously moving into your 8th house from last 2.5 year to from last 2.5 year. But right now Saturn is about to move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Pisces. 7th house, Saturn controls two houses into your birth chart for all the Cancer ascendant, like your 7th house and 8th house. 7th house will be your marriage, your relationships in general, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. You seen from 7th house, your relationships in general, like your legal binding, your agreemented things, your commitment. All seen from 7th house, your business, and somehow your fame is also represented by 7th house along with 10th house. 8th house is with your secretive activities are represented by 8th house, your in-laws, your sexual organs, your sexual activities, your extramarital affair, all of these things are represented by 8th house. Sudden positive events, sudden negative events, all of this were represented by 8th house. 8th house and 7th house, Lord is about to move from your 8th house to your 9th house for next 2.5 years. Ninth house deal with your education, your knowledge, your wisdom, your religious knowledge, your teachers, mentor, guider, your advisor, your higher education means your postgrad education, your teaching, your father, teachings of your father also represented by 9th house. Your long distance travel. We can expect for next 2.5 years there will be a lot of travel opportunities for all the cancer ascendant people. If you like, your marriage relation will be very strengthened due to presence of 7th house or into your 9th house. If you are single, then we can expect you will get the opportunity to get married. because your seventh house lord will be targeted from your ninth house and also carries the quality of your eighth house, and Saturn will be into your ninth house for next 2.5 years. Ninth house also connected to somehow with your marriage. Because if we go sun deep into astrology, there will be a D9 chart with your ninth house. So ninth house carries the more weightage regarding your wisdom, regarding your education, regarding your all the aspects of life. Your love related matter is also rotated at ninth house. So for next 2.5 years, we can expect there will be a lot of opportunity. If you are doing some post education, like you're younger in life, you're in education life and doing some higher education, post education, then we can expect you will do a lot of effort. Saturn will make you do a lot of effort into your ninth house. Saturn will give you very strict teacher, very strict advisor. But in the end, you will get the revenue of that effort when Saturn is about to move from your ninth house to 10th house, because it's the nature of Saturn. Saturn give you delays. Saturn give you restriction, but in the end, Saturn will also give you the good result of your effort. You will also get the travel opportunity with your family, because from seventh house lord is into ninth house, and ninth house also deal with your long distance travel and aspect of Saturn, because from ninth house Saturn will aspect your 11th house, your third house, ninth house. Both the houses are connected with your travel opportunities. So you will get the many opportunities regarding your travel related matter. Also, from ninth house and Saturn will aspect your third house, Saturn will make you do a lot of effort as we discussed previously. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Saturn controls your sixth house and your seventh house. And Saturn is about to move from your seventh house to eighth house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. So for all the Leo ascendant people, Saturn controls two signs into your birth chart, like two houses, your sixth house and your seventh house. Previously 2.5 years, Saturn was moving to your seventh house in its own sign. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your work related matter, because somehow seventh house also connected to your work, your fame. You will also get the stable result regarding your relationship, marriage, and all sort of communication related matter, like your business, dealing, your commitments, your agreemented things. But right now, Saturn is about to move from your seventh house to your eighth house in the sign of Pisces. Saturn controls your sixth house deal with your court case, your litigation, your argument, and somehow sixth house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology, because somehow problem, issues, struggle, efforts, useless efforts are represented by sixth house. Your enemy, your against people are represented by sixth house. So your sixth house and seventh house will be the marriage, your legal bindings, your agreement with things, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others is also represented by seventh house. So your seventh house and sixth house lord will be talented from your eighth house for next 2.5 years. So for next 2.5 years, we can expect eighth house will be to secrecy, research studies, hidden things, your unexpected events in life is seen from eighth house. Your in-laws related matter, spouses, family is related by eighth house. Your sexual organ, your sexual relationship, your extramarital affair, all of this are represented by eighth house. Sixth house lord means one naturally malefic house lord is about to move from another naturally malefic house lord. So this will create a good position regarding your enemies related matter. Your enemies will be defeated during this time period. Saturn will move from your eighth house, because sixth house will be your against people, your enemies, your hurdles in life, and will be in the eighth house. Eighth house represent defeat. So your sixth house lord will be your hidden enemies, your against people will be defeated during this time period. So this will be a positive situation for people. Also for next a half year, you will be protected from sudden events, because Saturn in eighth house perform very well regarding your sudden visits, sudden activities, sudden positive event will be stable, and sudden negative result will also be stable during this time period till Saturn is something from your eighth house. Your marriage related matter will be good during this time period, because your seventh house lord will be targeted from the eighth house. You may get time to time disturbance regarding your marriage related matter, because as we discussed previously, eighth house deal with some negative qualities, because eighth house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. So still you need to be very careful when you're arguing with your spouse and spouse's family for next 2.5 years, there will be a chance that there will be a tendency. There is a tendency you may face some disturbance from your in-laws and your spouse's family. Saturn will look from your 8th house to 10th house, your second house, and your fifth house. From your 8th house to third house, you may put a lot of effort. Saturn will try to make you a lot of effort, but in a secretive way. Like you may try to find a secretive way to get success at your birthdays, because Saturn will be planeting from the 8th house. So 8th house will be secrecy, and Saturn will expect from the 8th house to 10th house your work related matter, your work environment. So you may try to find some secretive way to get success at your workplace. You may also become successful in these matters because your position of planet indicate these matters. Also, when Saturn will look from your 8th house to your second house, there you will get a lot of opportunity to get unexpected gates in the study period regarding your money related matters in the form of money, because 8th house will be sudden events and expecting from your 8th house to your second house, house of saving, house of bank account, house of money, hard cash is seen from second house. So that's a weakness aspect you will get great result. When Saturn will look from your 8th house to your 5th house, you may try to indulge into some gambling like the lottery or such thing during this time period, because 8th house and 5th house, these two houses are connected with gambling and some these type of result. So if you buy some property, so if you if you so for next 2.5 year, if you are willing to do some gambling, then we can also expect there will be some good result for you people, because your 8th house, 5th house deal with gates, and 8th house is unexpected result. So 8th house and 5th house, these two houses are always connected with the gambling. So, but be careful, because Saturn is not in its own sign. Saturn is in Pisces sign. So result of Saturn will be depend upon the dispositor like Jupiter, because Saturn from your 8th house will respect to your 5th house, and 5th is controlled by Jupiter. So you to be also assess the result of Jupiter for next 2.5 years. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Saturn controls your 5th house and your 6th house, and Saturn is about to move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Pisces after 30th March 2025 for next 2.5 years. Saturn was previously moving into your 6th house for last 2.5 years in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. So just 2.5 year you will get great result regarding your court case litigation if you are facing these results, because Saturn is a naturally malefic planet, and 6th house also considered as a naturally malefic house. And naturally malefic planet perform very well into your malefic house, because 6th house deal with your hidden enemies, your against people, your court case, litigation, arguments, fights, your daily routine in context of work. All of these matter. So when Saturn was previously moving in your 6th house, Saturn was giving you a lot of strength to withstand all of these matter, and you will also get the good result regarding all of these matter from previous 2.5 years. But now Saturn is about to move from his 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Pisces. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationships in general, your spouses matter, your agreemented thing, your legal binding, how you will meet others, how others perceive you. Because 7th house is a general public, and your business related matter is also represented by 7th house. So when your 5th house will be your children, your love relationship, your sincere love relationship are seen from 7th house. Your all the matters that your children, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your early education, your ability to think smartly is ability by 5th house. So when the Lord of your 5th house and 6th house will be transiting from your 7th house in the sign of Pisces, then we can expect you will get some stable result regarding your children. If you are married right now, if you have children, if you have any sincere love relationship, then there will be a possibility you will get the chance to convert your relationship into marriage. But you will also face some disturbance regarding your relationship when Saturn will starting from your 7th house, because it's the Saturn's own nature, because Saturn represents delay, Saturn represents restriction. After some time, in the middle, of Saturn card, you will get some stability regarding your relationship and your marriage related matter, because Saturn controls your sixth house. Sixth house argument slot, conflict slot will be done from your seventh house. If you're unmarried right now, then you will also get the good proposal during this time. But you need to be very careful when you're deciding to careful when you're choosing life partner for you when Saturn started from your seventh house. There are chances you may get some karmic relationship during this time period, which will in the end give you some bad result. So, or if you're already in a relationship, like you are married or you have any relationship, so you need to be very careful and also try to avoid conflicts, argument during this time period, because Saturn also controls your sixth house. Sixth house will be conflicts, argument, and will be starting from your seventh house in the house of relationship, in the house of marriage, in the house of business partnership. From your seventh house, Saturn will aspect your ninth house, your first house, and your fourth house. So, when Saturn will aspect from your seventh house to your ninth house, Saturn will try to make you effort regarding your education related matter, regarding your higher education, wisdom, religious matter, like your travel related matter, because ninth house represents your travel, your religious matter, your long distance travel, your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, your higher education. Like if you are not in a higher education, Saturn will try to make you do a lot of travel during this time period till Saturn starting from your seventh house, because third aspect of Saturn represents these things. When Saturn will aspect from your seventh house to first house, your ascendant, Saturn will slowly make you mature during this type of regarding, because Saturn will be on your ascendant or from on you. So Saturn will try to make you mature slowly during this 2.5 year, because Saturn will aspect to your ascendant. Also, Saturn will aspect to your fourth house. Fourth house will with your properties, vehicles, comfort. To slowly, Saturn will give you opportunities to make your properties, home stable during this time. If you don't have any property, then Saturn will also definitely give the opportunity to renovate your home where you are living right now. Also, Saturn may give you some travel opportunity to move from your birthplace to some different country, because ninth house of travel and fourth house of homeland. Both the houses are connected during this time period, because Saturn is expecting the both the houses. So if you want to move from your birthplace to some different country, then Saturn will definitely give you a possibility to move from your birthplace to some different country. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo segment people. Now let's talk about Libra segment. For all the Libra segment people, Saturn controls your fourth house and your fifth house, and Saturn is about to move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. So, Saturn will stay into your sixth house in the sign of Pisces for next 2.5 years. Previously, Saturn was moving from your fifth house in its own sign from last 2.5 years. But right now, Saturn is about to move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Pisces, and Saturn will stay to your sign of Pisces for next 2.5 years. Fourth house will be your home, property, vehicles, comfort, mother's relationship, your all the conveniences in life, how much conveniences you will have into your life is seen from fourth house. Your comfort, how comfortable life you will spend is seen from fourth house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your education related matter, your fun activities also represented by fifth house. So your fourth house and fifth house are retracting from the sixth house for next 2.5 years. Sixth house will be the court case, your litigation, your arguments, your fights, your conflicts, your against people are represented by sixth house. People who provide you services, your loans, your debt, your daily routine in context of your work is seen from sixth house. So, Saturn, your fourth house and fifth house God, for next 2.5 years, give you many opportunities to suppress your enemies. Your enemies will be suppressed during this time period when Saturn will traveling from your sixth house, because Saturn is a naturally malefic planet, and sixth house also considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology, because somehow problem issue difficulties are always associated from 6th, 8th, and 12th house. So right now for next 2.5 years, Saturn will be the pick from your sixth house. So your enemies and against people will be suppressed during this time period. Also, Saturn will give you many opportunities to pay your loans back because Saturn controls your fourth house and fifth house. And from sixth house, Saturn will aspect your 12th house. So you will expand expenditures represented by 12th house. So you will expand some money to pay off your loans back during this time period. Because from sixth house, Saturn will aspect your 12th house. From 6th house, Saturn will also aspect your 8th house. So, aspect of Saturn from your 6th house to 8th house will give your hidden enemy, your confirmed people will be suppresses because 8th house also a naturally malefic house. You'll hit certain events like accidents, like all the negative sudden events will be protected, but also the negatives, but also the sudden positive event will be also protected. Means there will be a steadiness into your life when Saturn will connecting from your sixth house because the aspect of Saturn from your sixth house to the eighth house. Also, Saturn will give you many opportunities to do some secretive work during this time. You may incline to do some secretive work during this time period because of aspect of Saturn from your sixth house to eighth house. Saturn will also aspect from your sixth house to third house from your tenth aspect. Aspect of Saturn from your sixth house to your third house will give you ability to do a lot of effort because Saturn already to your sixth house will give you strength to withstand all the difficulties because sixth house is of somehow seems in regards to your health, your efforts, how much effort you can put in anything, and third house also do the same. So sixth house gives you ability to withstand all the difficulties and aspect of Saturn from your sixth house to third house give you ability to do a lot of effort. You will have a lot of courage for next 2.5 years to do a lot of efforts into your work matters from your against people, and you will also get the good result regarding all of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Libras and people. Now let's talk about Scorpios, and for all the Scorpios and people, Saturn controls your third house and your fourth house. And right now, Saturn is about to move from your fourth house to fifth house at the sign of Pisces for next 2.5 years. Saturn was previously moving from your fourth house from last 2.5 years in its own sign, the sign of Aquarius. But now Saturn is about to move from your fourth house from the sign of Aquarius to sign of Pisces, to your fifth house for next 2.5 years. So Saturn controls two houses into your birth chart, your third house and your fourth house. Third house deal with your efforts, your courage, your communication related matter, how good you are into your communication ability. That's it from third house. Your cousins, neighbors, people who are living around your house are represented by third house, to whom you know, to whom you make hello, hi, if seen from third house. All of these people, your younger brother, sister are represented by third house. Your acquaintances, your neighbors, your effort, your courage, your hand skills, all of these things are represented by third house. Your ideas, ability to thought process is somehow represented by third house. Fourth house deal with your home, your property, your vehicle, your land is represented by fourth house. Your homeland is represented by fourth house. Your mother's relationship, your comfort in life, how much comfort you will have in your life, your vehicle, your conveniences in life, like all the things provide you conveniences are represented by fourth house, like your AC, your refrigerator, your AC, or your comfortable car. All of these things are represented by fourth house. How much comfort you will have into your life, how much comfort you will not have into your life is represented by fourth house. So your third house, fourth house lord will be starting from your fifth house for next 2.5 years. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental ability, your planning ability, your early education till college life education is represented by fifth house. Your sincere love relationship also represented by fifth house. Your early education till college life is represented by fifth house. So for fourth house and fifth house lord, your fun activities is somehow also represented by your fun activities are represented by fifth house. So Saturn into your fifth house will give you a sudden break from your fun activities because Saturn performed that way into your fifth. Because Saturn performed that way fifth house in everyone's birth chart because your Saturn now correlate with your mental ability into your fifth house and controlling your third house. Third house, the effort slot will be into your fifth house. You need to be very careful regarding your sincere love relationship if you have any sincere love relationship in your life because Saturn may give you break and reality check during this time period because Saturn represents reality. Saturn represents delay. Saturn may bring reality into your eyes, into your fifth house regarding your love relationship. So if you have any sincere love relationship, you don't want to lose them, so you need to be very careful when you're dealing with your love relationship for next 2.5 years if you have any sincere love relationship. You if you have children, you are married right now, you have children, you need to be very focused onto your children's life regarding all the matters of their life because they may face some discrepancy in your life as well because it is your fifth house, already your children's. If you don't have children, then you have to be very careful regarding your fun activities because Saturn may restrict you from your fun activity and give you some bad result if you overindulge into some fun activity because Saturn tries to make you mature regarding the fifth house things during for next 2.5 years. So you also need to be focused regarding all of this matter for next 2.5 years regarding your children, regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activities. Your mental abilities somehow affected by Saturn during this time. You may if you may think of overthought, you may thought of overthinking time to time, you may indulge into overthinking time to time. So you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter. And it will aspect from your fifth house to seventh house, your 11th house, and your second house. So aspect of Saturn will give you some type of disturbance regarding your relationship related matter because for Saturn aspecting from your fifth house, from the sign of Pisces to sign of Taurus from your seventh house. So if you are married right now, you may get some sterling result for your marriage related matter in this time period due to aspect of Saturn. You need to avoid conflict with your spouse and your business partnership if you have like you're married right now or you have any business in partnership. Saturn may give you some maturity, some reality check regarding your relationship matter as well, regarding the marriage related matter as well. Also, Saturn will aspect from your fifth house to your 11th house. Your friend circle will be restricted during this time period, so that's why you will restrict it from your fun activity discussed previously. Because Saturn tried to restrict you from your fun activity, so Saturn will also try to restrict you from your friend circle, professional circle. There will be a limited support to you during this time. It means you need to Saturn is trying to make you mature regarding all the matters of your life because fifth house will be your mental ability. You Saturn first try to make you mature regarding your mental ability. You will not get a much support for next 2.5 years due to aspect of Saturn from your fifth house to your 11th house. Also, Saturn will aspect from your fifth house to your second house. Your money related matter and your family related matter will be also somehow affected. During this time, Saturn may try to make you myself because Saturn creates such condition when aspecting to your second house. Second house considered the house of wealth, house of saving, house of money. So, aspect of Saturn from your sixth house to your second house, there you may try to become a miser. You may try to think a lot of time when you're expending money. So that's a good thing or a bad thing also. There we always have a pros and cons of each thing. But you need to be very careful. I will discuss previously regarding your match related matter and your friends related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpios and now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. For all the Sagittarius ascendant, because Saturn controls your second house and your third house. And Saturn is about to move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Pisces after 30th October 2002, after 30th March 2025. Saturn will stay into your fourth house for next 2.5 years. Previously, Saturn was moving from your third house from last 2.5 years in its own sign, in the sign of Aquarius. So your third house previously was in a strong position, but now onward Saturn will be moving from your fourth house for next 2.5 years. Second house will be your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your family related matters, your speech, your food intake habits, all the matters related to your money savings is related by second house. Third house will be your communication, your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your ability to efforts, your hand skill, your idea, your how much effort you can put in anything, how much courage you will have, you have in your life is seen from third house. So your second house and third house lord will be moving from your fourth house for next 2.5 years. Fourth house will be your property, your vehicles, your comfort, your mother's relationship, your home, your homies, like your home people are represented by fourth house. Your how much property you will have, how much conveniences you will have, how much good vehicles or bad vehicles you will have it your life in for fourth house. Travel from your homeland to some different countries also the by fourth house. So when your second and third house lord starting from your fourth house, we can expect for next 2.5 years you will focus to make your home if you don't have home right now your own property, or you will try to construct renovate your home if you already have a home right now, like you have properties. Because third house and second house of money lord and house of effort lord is both the houses with giving you result to you regarding your fourth house treatment for next 2.5 years. There will be some setback also represented by Saturn into your fourth house. When Saturn will targeting from your fourth house, you may get some travel, unexpected travel time to time from your, you may need to separate from your home people time to time due to presence of third house lord into your fourth house. So third house, whenever third house lord is turning from your fourth house, Saturn, you may encounter some travel related matter as well. Here, Saturn will try to make you mature regarding your home responsibilities, regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort, and especially your mother's related matter, because Saturn represents these things. So, for next 2.5 years, Saturn will try to make you mature. You need to be very careful. You don't need to rely on others too much when Saturn is targeting from your fourth house, because Saturn will put you in such situation, because Saturn try to make you mature regarding your fourth house requirement, and eventually you have to become mature when Saturn is about to move from your fourth house to your fifth house. Otherwise Saturn will give you bad result. So from your fourth house Saturn will aspect for to your sixth house, your 10th house, and your first house. So when Saturn will aspect from your fourth house to sixth house will be court case, litigation, argument, fight. So if you are so for next 2.5 years, if you deal with some court case indication regarding your property vehicles, you will get the good result regarding all of this matter. I mean, things will come into your favor because Saturn is a naturally malefic, right? And as third aspect of Saturn will, and third aspect of Saturn to your sixth house will suppress your enemies and give you ultimately good result. Saturn will also aspect from your fourth house to 10th house. 10th house regarding your work, but Saturn will give you a good sense of responsibility for next 2.5 years. You will encounter a lot of frustration, responsibility from your superior boss at your workplace. If you're by self on authoritative position, you will get a lot of pressure to do some action, to do some decision, because Saturn will create such situation into your life when Saturn will aspect from your fourth house to 10th house. Saturn will also aspect from your fourth house to first house from its 10th aspect. So 10th aspect of Saturn to your first house will try to make you mature into your life. Saturn may give you some overthinking, some responsibility, some pressure regarding your work related matter, regarding your sixth house related matter, or your fourth house related matter. In the end, when Saturn will about to move from your fourth house to fifth house, so you will realize you will get the maturity and you will get a lot of experiences regarding all of these matters which Saturn is sitting and Saturn is expecting. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius and now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Saturn controls your first house, means Saturn is your ascendant house. Saturn is very important planet for you people. Also controls your second house. And Saturn is about to move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life. First house set the map of your chart because first house will your ascendant. So, first, generally representing your general health, your success, your uprising into your life is seen from first house. Your general health, your all the major aspects of life is represented by first house. Your ascendant. Your ascendant decide how much success you will have into your life or your will not have into your life. So your ascendant lord and second house. Second house will be your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your family related, all the matters affected by second house. Your earned upbringing, your savings, your money matters. Your all form of savings like ornament in the form of ornament in the form of hard cash is affected by second house. Your food intake habits, your speech, all of these things are affected by second house. So the second house and first house lord will be transiting from your third house for next 2.5 years. Previously, Saturn was transiting from your second house in its own sign inside of it for last 2.5 years. But for next 2.5 years, Saturn will be to your third house. Third house is with your efforts, your ideas, uh, your courage is seen from your courage is represented by third house. Your ability to do things like your thought process is represented by third house. Your hobbies somehow represented by third house. Your head skill, your cousins, neighbors, chat, your friends is also represented by third house. Your younger brothers, sisters are represented by third house. So for next 2.5 years, Saturn will give you a lot of opportunity to do a lot of effort. With Saturn will make you do effort. Saturn will unconditionally, Saturn will put you into places like you have to do a lot of effort. You will face frustration. You will feel frustration. You will feel burden during this time. But when Saturn will about to move from the third house to your fourth house, like next house, you will realize you will put a lot of effort and you will also get mature regarding all of these matter. You will have the sense of your third house, like you know how to do effort and you know the meaning of hard working after 2.5 years because in your third house, Saturn will make you maturity regarding the third house related matter. You will not interested into short term communication during this time because third house represents communication and Saturn represents seriousness. Saturn represents delay. Saturn represents restriction. Saturn is trying to make you mature regarding the house in which Saturn is targeting. So for next 2.5 years, Saturn is starting from the third house. And from third house, Saturn will aspect your fifth house from its aspect, your ninth house from its seventh aspect, and your 12th house from its 10th aspect. So from your fifth house, Saturn will give you some responsibility, some is burden from your children, from your love relationship. Your fifth house will be your children, your love relationship. Also, Saturn will restrict you from your fun activities, so you will become the more available for your hard working and effort and become more mature. Because from fifth house, we see your fun activities. So, aspect of Saturn will restrict your fun activities. Also, if you have any sincere love relationship, your Saturn may try to give you break regarding your love relationship. You need to be very careful regarding all of these matters. That Saturn will aspect from your third house to your ninth house. Ninth house will be your religious matter, your higher education, your post-grad education, your long distance travel, your deep mentor, your father figure into your life, advisor, guider. All of these things are represented by your ninth house. Your long distance travel related to pilgrimages are represented by ninth house. So when Saturn will aspect from your third house to ninth house, Saturn will give you a lot of opportunities to travel during this time period. It is not necessary you will to travel on a religious basis, religious purpose. Travel for some days to some distance can be also affected by ninth. Also, Saturn will give you many opportunities to use long distance travel somewhere. Or into your third house, Saturn will also give the opportunity to short distance travel because Saturn is splitting to your third house. And also Saturn aspecting from your third house to 12th house from its tenth aspect, and 12th house is your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your long-term investment. So Saturn will give you slowly and steady and stable result regarding your long-term investment. Saturn will give you somehow myself from your expenditure because Saturn will aspect from the third house the house of expenditure. 12th house represent your expensive, your losses. So expensing money is represented by 12th house. So when Saturn will aspect from the third house to 12th house, there are chances you may become somehow miser for your expenditure. It will be a good thing as well or a bad thing as well. It depends on person to person. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people. Now let's talk about Aquarius ascendant. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Saturn controls your 12th house and his first house. Means Saturn is your ascendant lord. Saturn is very important planet for you people because Saturn controls your first house. First house sets the map of your chart. 12th house will be the expenses, your losses, your isolations, your long-term investment, false settlement, jail, asylum, hospitalization, imagination, space, all of these things are printed by 12th house. First house will be you, your personality, your general perception, your thinking pattern, your fundamental nature, your first house, your general health. All the major aspect of your life is written by first house. Like your first house carries the key to your success because first house set the map of your chart. So your first house and 12th house God is about to move from your first house to second house for next 2.5 years. Saturn was previously moving from your ascendant from last 2.5 years, but right now Saturn will move from your first house to your second house and we stay into your second house for next 2.5 years. Second house will be your family, your savings, your money matters, your speech, your food intake habits. All of these things are affected by second house. So when your 12th house and first house lord will be coming from the second house, we can expect you will get the opportunity to save a lot of money. You will also get some foreign connection to earn money from foreign sources because if you have any connection into your life from foreign, like your work house somehow connected to foreign land, then you will get the many opportunity to earn money from foreign countries, like from foreign sources, because 12th house lord is a little bit something from your second house. Second house is your bank account, the saving, your money matters. So Saturn will give you a lot of opportunity to earn money from foreign sources. Your 12th house lord will be directed from your second house. You will also get the opportunity to move from your birthplace to some different country during next 2.5 years because your 12th house lord, your house of foreign settlement lord is starting from your second house, the house of earning. Your uh, way of earning will move from your birthplace to some different country. Means you may able to accumulate money from foreign sources for next 2.5 years. Also, Saturn will make you somehow miser regarding expanding money because Saturn perform that way into your second house. Second house is the house of money, and Saturn is a restriction. Saturn is responsibility. Saturn will give you responsibility to save money, and you need to do effort to save money during this time, but you will able to save money because Saturn is right from your second house. Also, there will be some expenses, some useless expenses will be there for next 2.5 years regarding the family related matter because 12th house is a naturally house of losses and house of expenses. It will be trumping from the second house, from the house of family, house of money related matter. You will also encounter some good result for next 2.5 years regarding your family related matter. May your family, one of your family member may get mad, or may your one of family member may move from your birth to some different country for yours for their success purposes. From your second house, Saturn will also aspect your third. From your second house, Saturn will also aspect your fourth house, your eighth house, and your 11th house. So when Saturn will aspect from your second house to your fourth house, Saturn will give you some responsibility regarding your home related matter. Like suddenly you will fail, and there will be a circumstances like that you need to get that responsibility during this time period regarding your home, property, or mother related matters because fourth house affected these things. Also, may you may try to renovate your property during this time period aspect of Saturn from the second or from the house of money to the house of properties and money trades. Saturn will also aspect from the second house to eighth house. Aspect of Saturn from second house to eighth house may give you a lot of opportunity to uh, unexpected gain. Like you are working in somewhere and your money, your payment is stuck, you will get that payment back during this time period. If you have any money stuck during this time period, if you have any payment stuck somewhere, so Saturn will give you a possibility to get you that money unexpectedly, because Saturn is expecting from your second house to house of unexpected result from your eighth house. Saturn will also aspect from a second house to your 11th house from its 10th aspect. So when Saturn will aspect from your second house to your 11th house is the house of keys, house of recognition, house of achievement, house of friend circle, professional circle. Beside all the living significance of 11th of Saturn will give you good result regarding your gains, incoming gains, regarding your expedition, regarding your uh, hopes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, but Saturn may restrict you from your friend circle and professional circle. All the living significance of 11th house will be restricted due to aspect of Saturn from your second house to 11th house. Also, you need to be very careful when you're getting with your friend circle, or you're getting with your friend circle, because there are chances their friend circle may try to dish you during this time period to aspect of Saturn from the second house to 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant. For all the Pisces and people, Saturn controls your 12th house and your 11th house. And right now, Saturn is about to move from your 12th house to your first house in the sign of Pisces around 30th March 2025. Saturn was previously moving into your 12th house, its own sign, the sign of Aquarius for all the Pisces ascendant people. So previously you were facing a lot of difficulties regarding your expenditure, regarding savings related matter. You may have the liking to save money during this time period when Saturn was starting from your 12th house. If you are into some spirituality related matter, if you are into some tarot card, astrology, etc., then we can expect from last previous 2.5 years, you will get a lot of progress in these fields if you are somehow interested into these fields into your life. Now Saturn is about to move from your 12th house to your first house. Like your first 12th house lord and 11th house lord will be starting from your first house from your ascendant for next 2.5 years. So this next 2.5 years will prove very beneficial for all the Pisces ascendant people. First, for your 11th house. 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gain, how much gain you can accumulate in this life. Your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, your friend circle, professional circle, your support system. So your 11th house lord will be starting from your first off from your ascendant. So game will automatically come to you. You will get a lot of opportunity, but slowly but surely, because Saturn represents slow movement. Saturn gives you results slowly. Saturn represents delay and restriction. So somehow Saturn will slowly give you a lot of opportunities to gain a lot of money, whatever your work you are doing. Secondly, Saturn also controls your 12th house. 12th house will be the long-term investment as well. Your foreign settlement related matter as well. Your imagination, like if someone is a movie director or someone is a movie maker, then there will be a lot of involvement in their chart from their 12th house, because 12th house, from 12th house we see your imagination, how good your imagination will be, how how you can manipulate your thought process with your imagination to make some movies or some art. So that thing will also be reflected from 12th house. So your 12th house lord will be starting from your first house for next 2.5 years. So from next 2.5 years, we can expect you will get a lot of opportunity if you want to move from your birth to some different country. Also, if you are into some astrology related matter, some spirituality related matter, or some parent, etc. All the hidden knowledge will give you a lot of success when your 12th house lord will be starting from your first house. One another thing is important to know is that Saturn also represents restriction. So Saturn, when traveling from your first house, Saturn will slowly give you maturity regarding all the aspects of your life, because Saturn represents maturity. Saturn try to make you mature from how significant Saturn is targeting. So Saturn will be targeting from your first house, means your ascendant. So your ascendant carries the more weightage from all above all the houses to your birth chart. That's why we can expect slowly Saturn will try to make you mature and more successful into your life, because 11th house, house of recognition, house of gains, also controls by Saturn. From your first house, Saturn will also aspect your third house, your seventh house, and your 10th house. So when Saturn will aspect from your first house to third house deal with your communication, your ability to communication with others, how smartly you will do communication, how clever you are through your communication. If you are a salesperson, then there is a lot of weightage, a lot of save from your third house to into your birth chart, because sales all about communication. So you need to be a strong third house for.
So when Saturn will aspect from your first house to third house, your communication will be slow, your communication will be stable and more mature. For next 2.5 years you will try to separate the useless thing from your communication and make your communication more mature, slowly but steadily. Also from your third house, we also see your efforts, your hard working ability, your courage. So Saturn will surely give you courage to do a lot of effort regarding your work related matter, whatever you're doing into your life. Saturn, aspect of Saturn from your first house to third house may give you some setback from your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Saturn may try to give you some reality check or try to separate you from them, so you will become a mature about your third house related matters. Saturn will also aspect from your first house to your seventh house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your legal bindings, your agreement things, your business partnership, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. All of these things are represented by seventh house. Somehow your fame is somehow connected to seventh house. So when Saturn aspect from your first house to seventh house, if you are married, then you may face some difference of point of view with your spouse or with your relationship other partner. Like if you have some business partner, you may face some type of argumentation, some type of point of difference, different point of view time to time with your spouse or with your co-worker. Like if you are doing some business, because business meetings are also represented by seventh house, you may face some struggling relationship for next 2.5 years. If you are not married, if you are into some relationship, then you may encounter some bad relationship during this time period due to aspect of Saturn from your first house to your seventh house. If you are a business person, if you are a public figure, if you are somehow connected to fame, then Saturn will give you immense fame from your first house to aspecting your seventh house, because 10th house and seventh house, both the houses are connected to your fame. So if your work is somehow connected to fame, then definitely Saturn will in the next 2.5 years will give you a lot of success and a lot of fame. Saturn will also aspect from your first house to your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, what you are doing in this world here, what in what world you are good, how much authority you will have in your life, how good you are into your work, and how far you can go into your career, how much fame you will have, how much authority you will have. Your superior, your bosses, if you work on a lower level, then your bosses, your superior will be seen from your 10th house. So Saturn will aspect from your first house to 10th house from its 10th aspect. This aspect of Saturn will give you a lot of opportunity at your workplace regarding your fame related matter, as we discussed previously. Also, Saturn will give you a lot of opportunity to into your 10th house will provide you support from the superior and more powerful people into your life, or because aspect of Saturn from your first house, and also Saturn controls your 11th house of recognition. So, house of recognition, Lord will be aspected from your first house, from your ascendant to your 10th house of fame, house of recognition, house of work. So, this position will prove very beneficial for next 2.5 years for all the Pisces ascendant people. So, we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people. Our today's video, Saturn transit March 2025 for all the ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.